Hello and welcome to the Fast Forward Business Podcast. Today is the 12th of May 2021 and I am Justin Spencer Young. Today I am working on being less perfect. Last night I was attending a men's circle that I attend on a regular basis, and I was doing some work with a man who was putting some roadblocks in the way of taking action for himself. And what this did is it made me think about, how do I bump into roadblocks in taking action in my life? And for me, the shadow of not being good enough shows up in this need for perfection. Now, in reality, for me, 70% of the effort gets work done, 10% takes the edges off, but the last 20% is a lot of hard work and effort to get a product to perfection. And if you look up Jack Butcher on Twitter, as visualized value is what he's famous for, it's worth spending a bit of time exploring his content. He very publicly works on the principle that get a product to 70% and ship it, and get the feedback from your customer about what perfection is for the customer, because that could be quite different to what perfection is for you. So it's build, ship, fix, ship again. And that to me sounds like a very interesting way of doing it. So as I look at my process of how I build content and ship products to customers, for me the fine line is in the judgment and the instinct that it takes to know when is this good enough, but requires refinement that can happen over time with the customer. That's the part I'm working on, the refinement over time with the customer. So I'm focusing on being less perfect. And my challenge to you is not to let perfection get in the way of progress. We'll see you on the far post.